If there was ever a Nobel Prize for a skincare ingredient, it would go to this simple product. Some see it as just a refined petroleum substance, but dermatologists worldwide consider it the ultimate hero ingredient that cannot be surpassed. So what are its 8 secrets for saving your skin? Skin First Aid. It is the best remedy for any dryness or cracking. It creates a barrier that prevents water loss, making it more effective than most expensive moisturizers. Overnight foot mask. Apply a generous amount to your cracked feet, then put on your socks. Wake up to perfectly soft feet. Night eye cream. You can use it as a highly effective and safe alternative to expensive eye creams to treat dryness and irritation around your eyes. It is completely safe and inexpensive. Removing stubborn makeup. Nothing removes waterproof makeup like mascara as effectively and easily as this product. Apply a little and watch everything dissolve and disappear. Setting fragrance. To ensure your favorite perfume lasts as long as possible, apply a touch of it to your pulse points before spraying the fragrance. Makeup base expert touch. Many makeup artists use it as a light base layer under the eyes before applying makeup to prevent caking and cracking when smiling. So as you have seen, this product works not only as a regular moisturizer, but also as a protective barrier. It is highly effective and truly one of the safest ingredients available on the market. Do not let online rumors scare you away from using it, as dermatologists never dispense with it. All these benefits and the 8 genius hacks are thanks to our secret hero, Vaseline. If you found that this content changed something in your routine or provided you with real value, please hit that like button and share your experience in the comments. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel now and activate the notification bell to receive the upcoming secrets from skincare experts directly. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.